So when you're calculating the mean, you're going to need some data. So on this page, we have a list of numbers, and that's what our data is. We don't know where we got this data. We don't know if there's scores from a test or if their shoe sizes, number of times someone, I have no idea, and that's okay. Sometimes when we take the real world context away from the math, it allows us just to focus on the numbers and practice solving solutions. So if you remember, there's two steps to solving mean. The first step is you're going to add up the data to get a total. And then you're going to divide that total by the number of data points. So kind of dividing it by the number of numbers. So in this first question, we've got 4 numbers to add up, and then we're going to divide our total by 4 because there are 4 numbers that we added up. So these are super friendly numbers. So 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. And then I can do 12 divided by, I can use the slash symbol when I want to type divided on the computer. So 12 divided by 4, if I wanted to put 12 into groups of 4, I could make 3 equal groups. And if I want to just do a little check, I know that 3 times 4 equals 12. Did you know sometimes you can use an asterisk or a little star to show multiplication? You can also use a dot. If you ever see a dot between 2 numbers, that's also multiplication. I digress. So our mean, take this away, is going to be 3. So let's scribble a 3 into there. All right, I'll show you one more. Let's do number 2. So I'm going to go back up and remind myself. First, I'm going to add up the data to get a total, and then I'm going to divide that total by the number of data points. So here I'm going to do 7 plus 4 plus 6. I do want to see this math work on your page. So if you do make a mistake, we can kind of circle it and figure out where you went wrong. It helps you to learn. I've got 7 plus 4. It's 11. Plus 6, 17. Plus 8, it's going to get me to 25. Plus 5 is 30. Plus 6 is 36. And then I'm going to divide by the number of data points. So I'm just going to count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So 36 divided by 6. So if I want to take 36 and divide it into 6 groups, how many would be in each group? There would be 6. And if I knew that 6 times 6 equals 36, that's a way of using my math facts to solve a problem. So my mean is 6. You have my permission to use a calculator. If you use a calculator, I still want to see all the math equations written on your page. Okay. Hopefully this is helpful. There's 4 more on this page to do, and then you can check with the Google Classroom for more opportunities to practice solving the mean for a data set.